Have you tried everything for your goals but still not getting the desired results? You want to manifest something financial, or you want to grow in your job, in your business. You want to heal specific health issues, physical body ailments. You want to transform your relationship filled with love and compassion, but it's not happening in spite of many trials or many attempts. Why is this happening? Let me share that in this video. What's today? Hi, my name is Priyank. I'm India's leading abundance and wellness coach. In this video, I'm going to share the solution and possible pathway so that you can achieve your desired results. So what's happening? Why is this happening? So for example, let's take example of finances. You are earning 30,000 rupees per month and you want to earn 3 lakh rupees per month. It can be any example. You are earning 5 lakhs and you want to earn 50 lakhs. Whatever example you want. So your current vibration is this much to earn 30,000 rupees maybe. And your desired goal is to achieve 3 lakh rupees per month. So there is a huge vibration and frequency mismatch. So what do you need to do? All you need to do is retune your system, match with the vibrations of your goal and bring it into reality. Everything is energy. When you match with energy, frequency and vibration, and then you can achieve the desired goals. How to do that? First you need to remove the low vibrating energy, unwanted emotions, thoughts, feelings and obstructing energies from your system. Understand what is the energy and vibration of your specific dream goals and results, desires. Work on your system with various processes to transform your energy and vibrations to match with the vibrations of your goal. Then nothing can stop you but bring it into reality. Nikola Tesla beautifully says, think in terms of energy, frequency and vibration to uncover the secrets of the universe. So if you want to uncover the secrets of the universe, if you want to get the desired results, learning about energy, frequency and vibration is a must for you. Because this is the skill that can once learned can transform your life. Yes, putting in the outer world efforts is also equally and proportionately important as well. Because in spite of changing, doing meditation, doing law of attraction process, if you don't take action in the outer world, it won't happen. Sitting in meditation and thinking, visualizing, I want this goal, I want to manifest this much money, it won't happen. There was a person, one of my students messaged me, Priyank sir, I'm trying this, I'm doing that, and I'm not getting my desired results, I'm not getting my financial outcome. What to do? Please help me something. I simply asked, you are a school teacher. Okay, tell me, you want to grow financially. What desired actions are you taking to grow financially? There was no reply from the person. Because being a school teacher, obviously you will get a limited amount of income, and in order to grow in your income, you either need to approach different schools or start a new business or start a multiple streams of income working on different aspects. So that's the outer world aspect. Then you need to parallelly work on your inner world as well, removing the obstructions to get the new opportunity, removing the obstruction to get the desired result opportunities. Start working with them fearlessly so that you go unstoppable, get the desired results in you. So all you need to do is marry your inner world with your outer world results and you will be unstoppable magnetic success. Would you like to learn more about how to transform your energy, how to transform your vibrations? Then I would like to welcome you to my upcoming masterclass, where you will be learning how to change your energy and vibrations, match with the vibrations of your goal, and bring it into reality faster than ever before. Thank you for watching. Click on the link in the description above or below. Register yourself. Share in the comments what kind of healing or manifestation techniques do you know. Did you try something and it didn't work for you? And let me know what solution worked for you. Thank you and see you live in my upcoming videos or live masterclass.